Okay, so I've got silver nitrate solution and I've got a piece of zinc metal and I want to know if they'll react. So what do I have present? I've got zinc solid and I've got my metal ions as my silver ions here, and the nitrate, they are spectator ions. Okay, so let's locate the zinc and the silver and let's see if we get a reaction. So okay, so I've got zinc present and I've got the silver ions present and I've got a downhill here. So yes, a reaction does occur. So I'm going to write out my half equations. So the Ag will proceed to the right. It will really want to accept these electrons. And the zinc is going to want to give them away because it's below the silver. And so if it's below another metal, it means that it's a stronger reductant, meaning it wants to undergo oxidation. So it's going to proceed to the left there. So zinc is going to give away its electrons to form zinc ions. Okay, so to add these two together, what I need to do, I really should add my states in as I go. Okay, I need to make sure my electrons are the same value, so I need to multiply everything here by 2. So 2Ag plus 2 electrons goes to 2Ag solid. And my zinc there can stay as it is. And I'm going to add my two half equations together now. And I'm going to cancel my electrons in the same step. Yep, so no need to write the electrons, I've just cancelled them. Okay, so then that's the solid, that's aqueous, solid, aqueous. Good. Okay, now the answer in the textbook actually requires you to write the fully balanced equation, so it's sometimes a little bit hard to know what they mean by that. What they mean by that is that it will include the spectator ions that we took out at the start. So what that means is that, remember, silver was associated with the nitrate, okay, so at the beginning. So we can write this as a silver nitrate solution. So just remember the valency of nitrate is a -1, and so because silver is a +1, our formula is just a 1-to-1 ratio. We had 2 of them when we balanced, so we had 2 silver, which means we have to have 2 nitrate. So if you pop a 2 there, that's completely fine. And we've got our zinc solid, and that's all aqueous there. And so we've got the 2 Ag for our solid, and we know that we have zinc ions here, which are going to associate with those nitrate ions that are floating around. And so how do we write that as a compound? So we can write, we know how to write ionic formula. We'll bring that 2 down to the nitrate there, and we've got our zinc there, and that's an aqueous. So it's a little bit different what the textbook expects you to do there. They've joined up those ions, okay? So the answer looks something like that.